Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want your iPhone to make a sound whenever you plug or unplug it from its charger? In this video, I will show you how to customize the charging sounds on your iPhone using either an automated text similar to this,
Hi there.
or with the music. Let's go. There are two modes in which you can customize the charging sounds on your iPhone. You can either create an automated voice or set a specific sound effect using an mp3 file. First, I'll show you how to create an automated charging voice. To do this, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. You can download it for free on the App Store. Navigate to the Automation tab, click on Create Personal Automation, and locate Charger from the list. Then specify whether you want the sound to be played when the charger is plugged in or unplugged. You can also set it to both if you prefer. After selection, tap Next to proceed and search for Speak Text as the shortcut action. Customize the speech text in the field provided and modify it further by tapping on the Angle button. Here, you can adjust the automated speaker's rate, pitch, language, including the voice as well. Before saving, make sure to toggle off Ask Before Running so that the automation will run without prompting. Tap Done to finally save the automation shortcut. Now, when you plug in your iPhone charger, the automated voice will be played. As I've mentioned earlier, you may also set up an mp3 file as your charging sound. Before creating a new charger automation, make sure to delete the previous version if you have one to avoid execution conflicts. The first step is to locate your music in the Files app. If you don't have it yet, simply download one from the internet. Tap Share and then select Copy. After that, open the Shortcuts app, go to Automation and tap Create Personal Automation. Choose Charger from the list. Set which charging mode it should apply and tap Next to proceed. On the search bar, type in Encode and select Base64 Encode underneath the Scripting category. Then tap the Input button and select Clipboard from the menu to copy the directory path of the mp3 file. Next, tap the Play button located at the bottom right to display the encoded details of the selected music. When the text box appears, press the Share button and select Copy. Tap Next, toggle off Ask Before Running, and then press Done to temporarily save the shortcut. After saving, tap the newly created shortcut and press the card below the Do section. Tap the Encode button, change it to Decode and add Play Sound Action to the shortcut. To check if it works, you can press the Play button to listen to the sound preview. Finally, tap Done to save your changes. Now the music should play whenever you plug in your charger to your iPhone. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.